With Valentine's Day coming up, I really wanted to grab a new perfume. And I'm not really into duperoonies, but I heard that this one smells like a very famous perfume with a number on it. And it is right up my gourmand, spicy, but sweet, loving self. I'm not sure how that exact fragrance smells like. To me, this actually smells like a replica of the one involving a fireplace. I hope you guys are catching my drift, which was my signature scent for like years. And that's what this one smells more like to me. Without that like burnt smokiness, there's not too much of that here. The best way I could describe it is like sweet, musky, and just honestly like super, just so addicting to smell. So if you've been looking for a new perfume and you love like sweet, spicy, musky scents, but you don't want to spend $100 plus, definitely recommend this one.